not a game, it's a rich thing.
What if your notebook could wipe itself clean? Or your speaker could float in midair? Today, we're diving into some of the most mind-blowing tech gadgets that are redefining convenience, creativity, and connectivity. Whether you're a traveler, a tech lover, or just someone who wants to upgrade your daily routine, this lineup is going to blow your mind. Now, let's switch gears, literally. The Sitbacks Bleacher seat is the ultimate outdoor game changer. Say goodbye to sore backs at concerts, games, or camping trips. This portable seat is lightweight, easy to carry, and unfolds into a cushioned throne wherever you go. With adjustable back support and even side pockets for snacks or drinks, it's basically a personal VIP section you can bring anywhere. Whether you're cheering at a Little League game or relaxing by a lake, Sitbacks has your back. Literally. Need one cable to rule them all? Check out the One Cable. This is the universal charging cable that actually lives up to the hype. With built-in connectors for USB-C, Lightning, and micro USB, you can switch between your devices without digging through a tangled mess. Plus, it's tangle-resistant, ultra-durable, and supports fast charging. Whether you're charging your phone, tablet, or even a game controller, this one cable covers it all, because you shouldn't need a drawer full of cords for one road trip. Okay, this next one defies gravity, literally. The magnetic levitating speaker is straight up futuristic. It floats above its base while blasting 360-degree sound in every direction. But this isn't just a gimmick. It delivers rich, immersive audio, while the levitating design eliminates surface vibration for cleaner sound. It's Bluetooth-enabled, easy to pair, and doubles as a conversation starter. Want your next party to have some real wow factor? This speaker will leave your guests levitating with excitement. Speaking of next-level tech, imagine a notebook you never have to throw away. The smart reusable notebook gives you the feel of traditional pen and paper, but you can wipe it clean and reuse it again and again. You write using a special pen, scan your notes to the cloud with your phone, and then just wipe the pages clean with a damp cloth. Eco-friendly, endlessly reusable, and perfect for students, creatives, or anyone who loves jotting things down the old-school way, but with a high-tech twist. Now imagine bringing your favorite show to life on any wall. The mini pocket projector turns any blank surface into a big screen experience. It fits in the palm of your hand, but projects vivid HD images up to 100 inches wide. Perfect for movie nights, presentations, or even impromptu gaming sessions. It connects wirelessly, plays content directly from your phone or USB drive, and the built-in speaker means no extra gear required. It's cinema in your pocket. Let's clean up the air around us, literally. The portable air purifier is your personal shield against allergens, dust, and pollution. This compact device uses HEPA filtration and ionization to purify the air around you, whether you're in a hotel room, on a plane, or at your desk. It runs silently, charges via USB, and fits right into your cup holder. In a world where clean air isn't guaranteed, this gadget makes sure you're always breathing easy. What if your charger could sanitize your phone too? The wireless charging pad with UV Sanitizer is a 2-in-1 tech essential. Just place your phone on it, and it'll wirelessly charge while a built-in UVC light eliminates bacteria from your device's surface. It's like a spa day for your phone, and a sanity saver for anyone who takes hygiene seriously. It even works with earbuds, keys, and wallets. Just pop them in and let it do the rest. Now, how about a water bottle that reminds you to drink? The smart water bottle tracks your hydration levels and glows to remind you when it's time to sip. Connect it to your phone, set your hydration goals, and it'll keep you on track throughout the day. Whether you're hitting the gym or just working at your desk, this bottle is like a personal hydration coach that keeps your body and mind in balance. Typing on the go? No laptop needed. The foldable Bluetooth keyboard unfolds into a full-size keyboard you can connect to your phone or tablet. It's perfect for digital nomads, remote workers, or anyone who wants to turn their phone into a productivity machine. It's lightweight, ultra-slim, and folds into a compact size that fits in your bag. And yes, it's surprisingly comfortable to type on. Let's make your front door a little smarter. The smart doorbell with facial recognition not only alerts you when someone's at the door, but actually recognizes familiar faces. It learns your friends and family and sends you personalized alerts. You can speak to visitors through your phone, view live video, and even store footage in the cloud. It's security that knows who's welcome and who's not. Traveling to a new country? Language barrier? Not anymore. The Wearable Translator is a sleek little device you wear like an earpiece. It translates languages in real time, so you can understand and reply almost instantly. Whether you're navigating a busy market in Tokyo or chatting with locals in Paris, this gadget makes every conversation smoother. It supports dozens of languages and syncs with your phone for even more features. Now here's a backpack that does more than carry your stuff. The solar-powered backpack is equipped with a built-in solar panel that charges your devices on the go. Whether you're hiking, traveling, or commuting, your phone never has to hit 1% again. With multiple compartments, a padded laptop sleeve, and water-resistant materials, it's the ultimate hybrid of utility and eco-conscious design. Plants need smart tech too. The Smart Plant Pot monitors soil moisture, sunlight, and temperature, and notifies you when your plant needs care. Sync it with your phone and you'll get alerts like, "Your fern needs water," or "Too much sun for your succulent." Great for beginners and forgetful plant parents alike, this pot helps keep your greenery thriving. Ready to draw in 3D? The 3D printing pen lets you create real, tangible objects by drawing in the air. It uses heat to melt special filament, which solidifies instantly, letting you build, doodle, and design anything your imagination can handle. Whether you're prototyping, crafting, or just having fun, this pen brings your ideas to life literally. Now, for something straight out of science fiction, the virtual keyboard projector beams a full-sized keyboard onto any flat surface. Tap the projected keys and your words appear on your phone, tablet, or laptop. It's compact, rechargeable, and surprisingly responsive. Perfect for typing on the go without carrying bulky hardware. Having trouble sleeping? The Smart Sleep Mask tracks your sleep cycles using built-in sensors, then uses light and sound therapy to help improve your rest. It's like a sleep coach on your face. Wake up more refreshed, fall asleep faster, and get personalized insights into your sleep quality every morning. Need your espresso fix on the move? The portable espresso maker is a hand-powered wonder that brews rich espresso without the need for electricity or batteries. Just add hot water, press, and enjoy barista-quality coffee anywhere, from the trail to your hotel room. It's compact, durable, and a must-have for coffee lovers who are always on the go. Worried about your suitcase going MIA? The Smart Luggage Tracker uses GPS and Bluetooth to track your bags in real time. Just slip it into your suitcase and connect it to your phone. Lost luggage? Open the app and pinpoint its location instantly, whether it's still on the tarmac or headed to the wrong city. Peace of mind for frequent flyers. Ever wish you could scan and translate a sign instantly? The handheld language scanner does exactly that. Just swipe it over any printed text, menus, signs, or documents, and it instantly translates it into your native language. It's fast, accurate, and small enough to fit in your pocket. No more guessing what that restaurant menu. And finally, let's talk about your eyes. The Neuralync Eye is a wearable vision enhancement tool that uses smart sensors to reduce screen strain, adapt to lighting conditions, and even help with focus and fatigue. It's perfect for long workdays, late-night gaming sessions, or just making digital life a little easier on your eyes. So, which one blew your mind the most? If you want to see these in action, or grab one for yourself, check out the links in the description. We've made it easy to find everything we talked about. And if you're into discovering the next big thing in tech before everyone else, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We drop videos like this all the time, so you'll always be ahead of the curve. Oh, and don't forget to drop a comment with the gadget you'd never leave home without. We read every single one, and we're always on the lookout for the next incredible invention to feature. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.